dropped the computer.
What's going on, guys? It's Ameerah. Today we're gonna be making some foil balls. We were doing Charlie's video. He was making a giant foil ball. You guys should definitely go ahead and check that out. But first, check this out. Anyways, guys, so I challenged him. I said blah 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 blah. Why don't we pull up a clip right here? I bet I can do better.
Oh yeah?
I can do anything better than you.
I dare you to make a bigger one and better.
So you guys don't know what an aluminum foil ball is. It's basically this trend that's going around everywhere, and it's super cool. So basically,
it all started with the Japanese.
Yeah, it's a Japanese trend. Anyway, so you're supposed to get some tin foil, and then you like roll it up into a ball, compact it, and then sand it or scrape it. I don't know, file it down, and then polish it, and then it becomes a shiny ball. And yeah, so that's what we are gonna be doing. We're gonna see who can do the best one, and yeah.
Obviously I'm gonna do the best one because she's like.
Yeah. Okay. And today's like my job to me. You can choose a Charlie because you're the guest of honor.
Okay, what you gotta do is you gotta spin around and go. Then press the like button.
So you spin around, guys, and then you.
What the heck was that inverted freaking horn?
Anyway, so then you press the like button. If you guys don't, make sure you comment a little hashtag I didn't, and let's get straight on into the video. Yeah! Okay, so I guess we could just start now. That was interesting. Okay.
Did we just start already?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Alright, so I'm just gonna. Okay. I'm done! Guess who did it best? Ha 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 ha! Look at mine, so much better than yours.
Beat that.
You won, guys.
What'd I say? We just compress this into a little ball the size of my eye.
So I'm just gonna do mine one layer at a time. I'm not gonna. I don't want it to be so huge like some of these.
This is not gonna be big. I'm still gotta compact it.
I find that this way it's gonna be a little bit more neat and organized, and I feel like it might just work.
My technique is just to get all the aluminum foil and compact it all at once. That way I don't have to worry about the middle being compacted.
Make sure you guys watch the whole thing and comment down below whose strategy you think is better and who you think is gonna win. Yeah.
All right, now we're gonna take these bad boys.
That's where you're supposed to use the hammer.
Yeah, well, I am.
Somewhere. Jesus.
I dropped the computer. It's okay. They're heavy duty, built to last.
No, they're not, Charlie.
Yes, they are. See? Heavy duty, built to last. But where's the drive? So, mine's got some flaps on it that I don't like.
Yeah, mine too. Mine's got this little hair right here, a little flap. It's so annoying, you can't get it out.
This is kind of a little bit harder than doing it on the basketball. If you don't know what I'm talking about, then you can go check out my channel. I made a giant one. So far, mine is coming out much better than hers.
Look at mine, it's like all smooth and stuff.
Mine just has to be compacted more, that's it. No better way to compact it than 200 pounds of pure muscle.
I'm planning on putting another layer, some more layers, but so I'm gonna hope that that just fixes that. I was gonna do that. I don't want it. I just didn't. Give me that.
Yes?
Yours looks like a potato.
Yeah. Well, guess what? It's gonna look better than yours.
2 hours later.
Okay.
What's wrong?
Hey, that's my tinfoil.
Yeah, but you're not gonna use all of it, Ameerah. What the heck?
Guys, here's mine. I have so many layers, and I haven't compacted it so much, so it's still pretty.
Oh yeah, do you have 200
but
square
it's
feet
pretty
worth?
good. It will have 200 square feet worth. Not too bad.
I still got to put those parts in, but yeah. Yeah. So what?
I've been compacting this since 1883.
Mine is just already done. Mine's done. I'm ready to start sanding.
Well, I'm not.
I need to compact this more. I'm taking this outside.
Where are you going?
Go into the truck.
You can just use a hammer.
Nah.
Charlie, what are you doing?
I'm taking it to the truck.
Charlie. Oh God. Oh God. Charlie, you know that's just gonna make it flat.
No, it's gonna compact it.
No, it's not.
Guaranteed.
It might not even go on it. Meanwhile, my ball is really nice and compacted with a hammer.
All right, let's see how this goes.
You're just flattening it, Charlie. It looks like a patty, a tinfoil patty. Just turning it.
Oh, I don't know what to do now.
Children, am I right? Amateurs.
But what? Screw this. I don't like that ball.
Well, now you're gonna have to restart. Where are you going, Charlie?
I'm going to get chicken tender.
There's children. That's great. There's children. Okay, well, I guess I'm just gonna continue on my ball. I'm still gonna put some layers, but it's getting pretty good, guys. Like, look at how compacted. Could literally break the counter, and it hurts in my head. I guess I'm just gonna keep on doing this, and I'm gonna wait for Charlie to come back. And then this is Paul's. Not as compacted as mine, though. Okay, well, guys, I think I did a pretty good job. I've just been waiting here for Charlie.
Here's mine. I think mine's pretty good. Much better than Ameerah. So look how big it is.
It's not even compacted.
Yeah,
Anyways, I like mine. It's really nice. I haven't even sanded it down yet, and it's like already kind of like glossy. Not glossy, but like
Polished.
polished. Anyway, so I think we can start doing the sanding down part, right? Okay, so I'm just using some sandpaper. I don't know. I guess I'll just start sanding it down.
Now we gotta polish it to make it real nice and shiny so it can become a mirror. That's good. It takes away all the bad layers.
So mine has this like flap right here. It's really annoying, and I'm trying to like get rid of that when I sand it. Hopefully it goes away. Ooh, it's got metal pieces on here. It looks weird.
Let me see.
6.5 hours later.
I'm just gonna start freaking cleaning mine. And we will polish this one.
I don't understand how this is supposed to work or help. Wait a second. How is this supposed to work? Okay, guys, so mine,
Sucks, and mine is Gucci.
wow, okay. Anyways, mine didn't really polish at all. Like, it was kind of already like a ball when I had it because I was doing layers. I smashed it. I like compacted it a lot. I think I might have compacted it.
I did too.
Okay, anyway, so I basically made even more layers, so now it's kind of like bumpy, but it's okay. Okay, anyway, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and start trying to polish it. Hopefully that will be good.
And I already polished mine. She's so behind.
Okay, so we got this metal polishing cream. It looks really tasty, honestly. I mean, it looks good.
This is
But anyways, hopefully this works.
And why didn't you use a dirty rag already? It's not like there's 30 in that bag.
It's supposed to like combine together when you sand it down, but mine just like
Let me see.
made more flaps.
Because you didn't sand it enough.
Mine worked.
Yeah, Paul's was the best, and he wasn't even in this challenge.
It's not even that good. Mine's better.
You're just good. How are you supposed to?
Hey, you think I can hold my hand on here for as long as it's on?
Sure.
Oh gosh, that vibrates a lot.
Charlie, I don't understand this. It's just turning black. It's not polishing.
Yes, it's supposed to turn black, you fogey. And then, when it's black, you take the black off with this. You just keep going at it. Amateur.
It's not very polished.
Yeah, well, because you didn't sand it.
Well, I I think it's safe to say that I won this challenge.
No. I won this challenge. And I think everyone will comment down below that I won.
No, if you think my ball, comment down below, hashtag Team Ameerah.
And if you think my ball, comment hashtag Team Charlie.
And we're gonna do
And if you think my ball, comment down below Team Paul.
No, Paul, nobody likes you.
The best.
No, this is garbage. I'm going to melt this. Okay? I'm going to melt it. Just want you to know.
Anyways, we're gonna do one more bonus round because I kind of want to see. Charlie said that I didn't sand it enough, so can you sand it for me, please?
Sure.
In one spot.
Now you have it like that, all smooth. Get your polisher, put it on there, and you rub it till it's black. And then we remove the black. And there, it's supposed to be polished. I mean, it'll look better once you have the whole ball like that, but yeah, that's pretty much it.
Well then. Okay, well you guys, you comment down below who you thought won, and yeah, make sure you subscribe. I post videos daily, and by daily I mean every day. Yeah. And make sure you press that like button and comment down below. And yeah, this is it. And also his channel will be in the description down below. It's Charlie Navalua. That's right now. He does a bunch of crazy stuff, and make sure you watch his video. And also shout out to Paul.